In this age of globalization, there are a fact that information technology is growing rapidly. Thus, businessmen will need the capability of information technology system that is a key to winning the competition in digital era. PT Electronic Data Interchange Edi Indonesia was established in Jakarta on June 1, 1995. The company's stakeholders include PT Pelabuhan Indonesia II Persero and PT Sesindikam Lintas Buana as a pioneer of electronic data interchange service provider. Supported by competent professionals, Edi Indonesia provides data services for e-business, database storage to computer networking systems, and efficient, secure information technology solutions from small scale to large scale. With the ability of convert paper-based database and document storage to electronic database storage from purchase order, invoice, price list, shipping notification, bill of lading or BL, export and import documents, manifest to other business documents. As a result, efficiency can be improved, human error can be avoided, and ultimately cost efficiency for the company can be achieved.
Our vision is to become the main provider and partner in the global e-business solution. Yes, Edi Indonesia has intellectual right for some products.
For more than 18 years of service in the e-business sector, Edi Indonesia has evolved into a prominent e-business and electronic data interchange provider in Indonesia. Currently, the company provides a wide range of services from e-business network, IT consulting, training, software development, and other IT solutions. Edi Indonesia has also launched a vast array of products. For the public sector, in partnership with many government institutions, such as with the Directorate General of Customs and Excise, in implementing the Indonesian Customs EDI system for import, export, BC 2.3, and manifest. With the Ministry of Trade, developing and implementing the Electronic Certificate of Origin ECOO system, InnoTrade system, online importer identification system, and online issuance system for trade business license, company registration certificate franchise, and modern stores. With the Ministry of Forestry in developing and implementing the Timber Legality Information System, SILK. With the Ministry of Transportation in implementing the Long-Range Identification and Tracking of Ships, LRIT system, and the development of Indonesia LRIT National Data Center, NDC. E-licensing service for the Ministry of Health, National Agency for Food and Drug Control, BPOM, and several other ministries and government institutions. Most of the systems built and developed by Edi Indonesia for the public sector are integrated with the Indonesia National Single Window, INSW system. In the private sector, Edi Indonesia has provided supply chain management SCM system for several big corporations. With Koja Container Terminal, developing and implementing a cargo release system that integrated with consignee, forwarder, trucking company, shipping line, and bank. It's called CargoLink system. In addition to interface system for several big companies. The development of inventory solution for businessmen in the bonded zone and bonded warehouse called E-INKABER and GB inventory system. Joint development of hospital management information system, CMARS, with Port Medical Center, Tanjung Priok, which can also be implemented in other hospitals. In the financial sector, the company partners with banks to provide e-tax service in the form of online tax reporting system, which is used by more than 25 prominent banks in Indonesia. In addition to electronic export transaction details, E-RTE service, a system built for exporters to report their realization of export, as well as second-generation state revenue model, which is used by Dutch Bank and JP Morgan. Built and developed claim motor system, CMOS, a motor insurance information system used by insurance companies, their workshop partners and spare parts suppliers. A specific subdivision called as Share Registrar offers services for initial public offering, IPO, stock registration, stock splitting, and other services related to stock market. Edi Indonesia also provides 24/7 call center service on 021-652-1010 or contact center with local tariffs for specific services. Customs PDE on 500-848, ECOO on 500-334, and InnoTrade service on 500-404. There is also 24/7 call center for the Ministry of Forestry's SILK service on 021-651-5054 and 24/7 service for workshop or on-site service for all EDI Indonesia's products. Disaster Recovery Center (DRC) is also provided by EDI Indonesia as main element of cloud system business to ensure high availability and high reliability of services.
EDI local office are located in Jakarta, Surabaya, Semarang, Medan, and Bandung. Our customer support can be contacted through several numbers, email, and messaging services. EDI technical support are backed up by our cluster system and redundant network ready to help you conducting your electronic business.
I'm proud to inform you that PT Edi Indonesia has business partners from either domestic or international. Our domestic business partners come from government, financial services, and private sector.
PT EDI Indonesia has established partnership with many parties, both public and private, domestic and overseas. In the national level, PT EDI Indonesia partners with several business associations such as APKB, GINSI, GAFEXI, INSA, and APJP. In addition to its domestic presence, PT EDI Indonesia has also expanded its target market abroad, serving as a liaison between domestic businessmen with their overseas business partners, thus enabling both parties to exchange documents and information in a secure, trusted, and efficient manner automatically from application to application. To achieve this, EDI Indonesia has established interconnection partnerships with several e-business service providers in other countries, such as CIECC in China, NACCS in Japan, KT-NET in South Korea, CAT Telecom in Thailand, Intercommerce in the Philippines, and KGH in Sweden, which is interconnected with all European countries.
For Information Security Management System, EDI Indonesia has been certified by ISO 27001. Our company was also appointed as Indonesia Trade Facilitator in United Nations Forum, and we are the only one member from Indonesia in Pan-Asian E-Commerce Alliance.
As an e-business service and electronic data interchange provider in Indonesia, which always strives to maintain information security standard, EDI Indonesia in 2013 has obtained ISO 27001-2005 for its information security management system. The company also received many other awards and achievements. Among all, as Indonesia's trade facilitator in the United Nations Forum, Indonesia representative in Asia-Pacific Council for Trade Facilitation and Electronic Business, member of Pan-Asia E-Commerce Alliance, and obtained patent for Expert Exchange Product, an electronic data interchange messaging software based on cloud virtualization and B2B switching, intellectual rights holder for product brands such as E-INKABER, CargoLink, and CMARS. EDI Indonesia continues to expand its services in line with information technology advancement for faster and more efficient business operations.
I hope our knowledge and experience in e-business solution will be helpful to you and your company. Thank you. Making excellent is our habit.
EDI Indonesia, all about e-business solutions.